Just in time for the holidays, we have a lovely townhome for sale in the gated neighborhood of Osprey Lakes and Riverview. This home is located conveniently near I-75 and is a few minutes from the Brandon Mall, tons of restaurants, and the expressway. But the inside has even more going for it. Come take a look. This home checks all the important boxes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a garage, and plenty of storage space. Downstairs has an open floor plan with blue cabinetry, granite tops, and matching gold finishings throughout. My favorite part though is the island with the sink in the middle and seating for 3. Plus, the living room has been upgraded with a custom built-in entertainment center, so you can enjoy your movie nights in cozy fashion across from the in-wall electric fireplace that's right under the TV. Upstairs is a split floor plan with the master suite on its own side. On the other side are 2 more large bedrooms, another full bathroom, and the conveniently located laundry closet. Last but certainly not least, you can start your mornings and finish your evenings off on the back porch, which overlooks the water where you can listen to the fountain and feed the ducks. This home is sure to go fast, so contact us today for a private showing.